This is a dash mount for your Dodge Ram truck I just got in. This will go right in that little spot up top where you can put things like change, and it will mount your phone. Let's see what's in here. Warranty card. Here's the mount. Interesting. Let's see. This looks like a clip to hold it on. Here's your hardware and a wrench, which is great. Some more things down here. This is the ball that will articulate. Over here, I think these are cleaning kit, yep. And this is going to be the actual unit that it mounts to. So it's going to bolt straight on and be able to articulate to hold your phone on. So let's move over to the truck, we'll get it installed and we'll check out how it works. Adhesive here. So this little notch, there's a piece here. You should just be able to stick your fingernail in there and peel that right up. And there are some bolts. You're probably gonna have some dirt in here. Even if you keep your truck really clean, it's gonna slide down in there. Anyway, there's some hex bolts here. So you're gonna need some tools. Grab some of those, and we're gonna need to remove these bolts right here to install that. So I'm gonna get those out right now and put the mount in. So after trying each one, it looks like the correct size for this is gonna be a T20. This should fit right in here. I can get the camera in there at the same time. There we go, T20, right in there. So if these are never come out, they're gonna be pretty tight. Just take these both out. This is gonna go in right here. And keep these somewhere else. So according to the directions, you're gonna line this up. You can see down here, these two holes right here are gonna sit right here. And that flat adhesive, when you tear this off, is just gonna stick. So these holes are gonna go directly down with the new bolts they come with. It's got the new hardware right here, and that comes in the package. So you're gonna take these screws, stick them in this hole, and tighten it with this wrench for the next step. So I didn't realize when I was looking in the hardware bag that the Allen wrench that it comes with actually has the size that you need to take that out. So you may not need that T20. What I think you will need that I don't see in here, since the screws are Phillips, you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver to put those in. Just if I can get this in with the camera. There we go, that side. Get this other one in. Actually kind of hard to see. If that's only because the camera's in the way, otherwise I'd be able to do this one. There we go. So this is going to screw in just like this, and that'll be straight. So I'm going to take this back out. I just wanted to make sure it fit first before I take the adhesive off. It's holding there pretty good. Don't want to over tighten it, but I want it to be tight enough to where it's going to hold the weight of my phone, because my phone's pretty big. All right, now looks like there's some articulating boom down here. According to the directions, let's see. Take it off, put it in. This has me screw some of the accessories and tighten. This has me attach the ball to the joint. So this is gonna go here. I have no idea how this thing goes in. I think it just clamps. Interesting. Okay. So these go in here, like that. Oh, interesting, cool. So you can move this around any way you want to. It'll articulate in any direction. So you can set your phone up like this. If you want to have it straight, you can put it down. If you want it to come out towards you, there's all kinds of different options. Let me move the camera so you can see better. This is gonna go on here and it can articulate. This piece is gonna unscrew. You can stick this on here and then put this on here like that. And then you can screw this to it. and then you can put this down and you can have it hold your phone directly at you. So you can set it up like this, you can move it if you want it to come out towards you more and hang, which is probably how I'll have it. You can kind of do whatever you want. If you want to aim it towards the passenger, if you want to aim it towards the driver, which is probably what you're going to do most of the time, or if you want to have it in the center and you can rotate it and then use it if you want to watch your GPS or something like that. This extra piece, I'm just going to take it and stick it down in here, but works great. Looks great. It's super strong. It's about 110 degrees outside where I'm at, so I've got this up here. But this is the product. It's a Kaishengyuan. I think I said that correctly. This is what it looks like. If you're interested in getting this or something similar, I'll leave a link in the description. I think it looks pretty awesome, and I'll do a follow-up video on how it works, what it looks like. Here's the articulating piece when you put your phone in it. I'm actually going to go grab one of my other phones and this little release here. So should fit pretty much anything you have, and then there's a space right here to put your charger if you're going to plug it in down here to your USB. The installation was actually super simple. It only took me about 10 minutes. I probably could have done it in about 5 minutes if I wasn't recording, but I actually looked in the bag. It has all the hardware you need as far as the screwdrivers as well. One of the end of the Allen wrenches is a Phillips head, so you don't actually need one. It comes with it, and the other one is a T20 screwdriver Allen, so you don't need that also. Like every other guy in the world, I hardly read the directions, and I just want to figure it out on my own. Plus, I got a ton of tools sitting around, so it didn't really matter. But if you order this piece, this product, it actually does come with all the tools you need, so you don't need anything else other than this box and your fingernail. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.